Welcome to Target Cubicle Coding Academy. In this video, I am going to show you how to install VirtualBox and Kali Linux in it. Virtual machines are used for teaching pen testing and also for practicing pen testing, or you can say ethical hacking. Virtual machines create the emulation of a computer system, which means that it will create the same environment as the OS. Means if I want to use Linux, it will create a Linux environment for me, and I can easily use Linux for the pen testing. For that, a virtualization software is required. Then there are very different virtualization softwares available like Hyper-V, Parallels, and VirtualBox, VMware, etc. The most important one is the VirtualBox because it is widely used by many people. So I am going to use VirtualBox for the whole pen testing lecture. And here I will type just VirtualBox. So this is the website, and here you will get downloads. Click on it. You will see VirtualBox is available for different platforms. My PC is Windows PC, so I will be downloading for Windows hosts. So let it download and then we will run it. So you can see it has been completed. Now I will open it. So run. So my VirtualBox installation has started. Click on next, next, next. Yes. So the installation will continue. So start Oracle VM VirtualBox after installation. It has started. Now I go to File, Preferences, Network, and here you need to add a NAT network. Okay, and it's done. Now let me minimize it. For a computer to run, first we need a OS. I can take Windows, I can take Mac, I can take even Android. So any OS can be run in VirtualBox, but the most preferable OS will be Kali Linux because it is used for ethical hacking, which we'll be doing in further videos. So just type Kali Linux and here you will get the official website. So just go to downloads and you will get a web page like this. You have different types of versions. So click on the virtual machines and you have two the virtual images for two softwares. You can also download Kali Linux from a ISO, but I don't recommend it because it's too time taking and also it may fail and it is a hectic task. Click on 32-bit, just download it and your download will start. I have already kept this downloaded, so I'm not going to download it again. So downloads, I have my Kali Linux VirtualBox image here. You can see here. So just double click on it and import it. Click on agree and you will see your import has been started. This import may take time depending on your PC's performance. So it has been installed. Go to settings, change your network to maybe bridge adapter or NAT network depending on your use. NAT network is used, bridge adapter is, it will use your Windows adapter and it will think that it is a new machine in your network. For me, I will select the network and go to bridge adapter and OK, and it's done. Just double click it to open the Kali Linux. It will open. We need to wait. I am going to go to view and go to full screen mode, and it is booting now. So let's wait for it to boot. Your default username is Kali. Your default username is Kali and your default password is also Kali. So login. First, I am going to go to settings, display, and going to select this one. Let's see. Keep this configuration. Close. So if you see the configuration, so I hope you will get this configuration as well. So I recommend to keep this configuration in display. Keep this configuration, it will be beneficial for you. Now go to terminal. So this is the terminal. You have different applications present here, and in terminal click on preferences. So application transparency, I will set it to 0. I am going to change the font size. You may have problem with the numlock, so check that out. The color scheme will be green on black. Apply it. Okay, it's done. Just do one thing here, sudo su. Give your password for Kali, which is Kali, and you are now the root user. Actually, root user is the privileged user, which is the super user and has full access of the system. Now type PASSWD root and give the new password as tour, and has been updated successfully. Now every time you log in, let's log out. Now every time you log in, just type your root and password as tour, and you will get in as root user. Again, you need to change the settings here also. So let me change the settings. Display, and I am going to give it as 1050. Apply. Keep this configuration. Close. So you can see it's done, and you are now ready to use. You can also need to change the preferences here also. I did this before and also in that Kali user, so I'm not doing it for the root user again. Now if you type the Linux commands, you can run it, and it's too easy now to use it. I hope you have liked this video, and if you have liked this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. And also, this is our website, tcca.co.in. The website link will be given in the description, and you have different courses present here. You can easily go through them. You even have the ethical hacking course. You can also enroll in that, or any Python course or any C programming course. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you guys for watching this video.